New star or just another talented toaster? Hi, I am Debbie. He was one of the leading DJs of 2025 and bigger things in store for 2026. But can Ayetian make good on the hype as he sets his sights on breaking away from the pack?
One of the breakout DJs of 2025, Ayetian keeping his balance and finding his stride going into the new year with exciting prospects, including weighing his options for a record deal, appearing in an upcoming Netflix reality television show, and a mixtape called 10 Pack soon to drop.
Hot lady lava. Back, that you ask for.
A current single, the Russian-produced What I Like, has the Mobe-based DJ on board with Molly and Tiger, the easygoing 20-year-old enjoying downtime with family in St. James Hill country after a hectic schedule of dates in North America and Europe last year. Hitting the stage along with soca star Michelle Montano at New York's Barclays Arena.
Energy did it, and they did hot. Show me did it still. We bring heat.
Just one of the many memorable moments in what was a busy year indeed.
You see it already, Anthony. That's why I even forward. That's why you see it. Over 30 countries I go last year as a juvenile. Right now I carry 2 nations on my back.
A reference there to Haiti, where his parents fled from as refugees, and Jamaica, where he was born and raised.
Give me some of the highlights.
Boy, enough thing going still. I want girl, me see tattoo, Asian right there, so the black Jesus. Me I say, I want to this a girl or what? You see me? And even one old lady, it's like, she must have Graves' disease. I must see 2 years she have left, and her last request was like, to be on stage with me. And make it happen for her, you know? At the moments there in a filmy timeline, in a filmy lifetime, when we can say, yeah, I really enjoy the moment because me actually make a difference to somebody else's life, you know?
What are some of the lessons you learned on the road?
Every culture different. And you see, if you don't have the skill to adapt, that means say you go be under pressure easily. But you know, it's a pressure build diamond still. Check this.
You mean it's not fake?
I started to try to style me. No matter with that. No man, none of that no fake. Same thing with these. True, me not have any grills right now. Over England, me get the grills.
So you like the trappings of the dancehall style? You like the jewelry, you like the bling?
I know me like it, you know. The ladies like it.
I like what I like, what I like, what I if you get lit in the club tonight.
Yeah, this is Patch Phoenix Records. We record most of the songs. Clive Bowen, the owner of the studio. He's a part of the team alongside Brownland, our videographer. Hutch, the road manager, and you met Dougie earlier, and I'm not the producer, manager as well.
My job is to sing the song, do dub plate, do show, and live. Because my team take the pressure off of me. And it go work, because I believe in them.
It's a big part of the job also to just keep you cool and be professional.
Yeah man, like me, you know, me come like JPS, you know. You see, if me happy now, everybody have light. But you see, if me set some bomb and turn off the switch and dark up the place, everybody dark. And nobody know on that.
You have a tempo?
Be a bomb fling, man. I just the way me be, you know, it's just my vibe, my whole vibe. For you see me, you go, you know, so the youth look like say, a troublemaker. And when you actually get to know me, you see, say, yeah, he's a cool dude and all.
So apart from the ability to write a song that people want to hear, it's a kind of charisma that people are looking for. They have to like you.
Yeah, man, of course. Nobody know I'm a mean artist, you know. Artist, give me a picture there. And you did that screw up your face. Nobody know I say that.
Hey girl, where you want water? Gaza, yo Jimmy, body, yo Sparta.
Why do you think the producers like to work with Ayetian? What's making the difference for you?
Me the hit maker. You see me? So anything me touch, you know, some numbers go up on it. You see me? I just the authentic vibe when me, you know, when me release, and me just stay true to my nature.
What do you think that vibe is?
Just being myself. From under that vibe, trust me. Hit song.
Is it fair to say that there's going to be a record signing soon?
I mean, we're considering it. If somebody willing to work and willing to make things happen for real, there's no problem with it. I don't like to say we don't have no fan base or nothing, you know, but we can build a bigger foundation. I just mainly want everybody to see it, like want the whole world to see it. You see me, want big numbers.
Another little birdie said something about a Netflix series.
God, man, of course. You see me, you know, I just want to be one dancehall artist. I just want to be the face of dancehall. And Netflix we are talking about, you know, something big, you know. That one.
Any other big names or even bigger names in that mix?
To me, Burna Boy.
After his success in 2025, Ayetian with a hefty slice of self-belief, bordering on bragging.
Right now, dancehall is like every man for himself, you know. Because nobody don't know who to trust and who to really work with. And you know, some people can do really good songs, but them hit and miss a couple times. And one song already if you want 2 weeks. And when February come now, you go see where them there. Nowhere.
So you think you've avoided that? You've been more consistent than most?
Than all. Me not say how consistent like me still, you know. You see in 2025, every month, you hear me song play. Everywhere, you hear me song play. Every time I do, you hear me song play. Some artists are just seasonal, like Maggie and them thing there. I'm just here for the era.
Behind Ayetian is where his mom lives.
I'm a mama's boy, you know. Mother care for me and I care for my mother.
Me well happy, me well good because this a boy and a boy a big man right now.
Arriving from Haiti, Miss Claudette Joseph had it tough.
When me a go them, me come to Jamaica, me pregnant. No, my father left me. No father, no family, nothing at all. Me alone.
Taking up farming and animal rearing to help raise her child.
Me take machete. A first time, me a try senior school and machete and fit on. Me no going to people house help and nothing at all. Numbers a God alone. Me still a go hug. Anytime you want something to buy, me no have it, me send one. Me give him whole lot of money. Me no take $50 to buy one sweetie.
He's getting teary-eyed right now.
Your son, you make me happy. Your son, as some people sometimes disrespect me, right now them respect me.
Neighbors and passers-by getting in on the act.
I said he's a very manageable young man, and I respect him for that. Never rude to me yet, near as he lives to me.
Thank you.
Welcome to the year.
And thank you and all the best.
This is a rising star last week.
I know. We stopped the interview because there was a passing taxi and they're playing your song. How does that make you feel?
Right now I move. Everybody know where me live.
Is there anything standing in your way of achieving your dreams?
Anything turn up in my way, me bomb that up, man. Be a bomb fling. You see me? Remember some back big, you know. Right now. See me a Holy Globe? Yo, AI this. I want Globe me a wall. You see me? Yeah, me a wall up dancehall right now, you know. Trade even know. You see me? I call him.
You think dancehall can get back on the charts? You think it can get back to where it was like in the 90s? With Shabba and Sean Paul and doing big numbers?
Me alone go do it. National hero Jamaica.
Cartel has blazed the path thus far.
Me, we are talking about me right now. Ayetian, national hero.
He's opened the door for people like you though on the road.
No. Cartel a legend. You see me? In my column. You see me? But since we fling steel.
So it's going to be you. You're the one of this generation who is going to do it.
Yeah. Ayetian National Hero Dancehall.
Ayetian in the running along with 5 others for the 2026 Mobo Award for Best Caribbean Music Act.
Hey girl, where you want water? Gaza, yo Jimmy body, yo Sparta. Two poop, me planting, I'm me yard back. Balance, balance, girl.